In this video we will see how we can pass an argument using a key-value pair. The argument to a function can be passed using a key-value pair. The order in which the parameters are defined are important, but when we pass the argument using key-value pair, then the order in which the argument are getting passed don't matter. It is very helpful when we know the number of argument to be passed but not aware of the order in which it's declared in the main function. For example, in the example, 3 parameter are defined as n2, n1 and n3 in order. It returns the result of n1 plus n2 minus n3. In the function call, as we are passing the key, so it can be passed in any order as it passed here, which is not matching the order in which it's defined in the function, but due to the key correct value is replaced in the function. Let's test passing an argument using a key-value pair. In the program we will pass 3 parameters to the function as n1, n2, and n3. We will add the two numbers n1 and n2 and subtract n3, creating a function named add_sub_numbers in which the order is added as n2, n3, and n1. A variable sum is added to store the result. Print statement is added to print the result of the variable. In the calling function we will be passing the value as 30 for n1, 20 for n2, and 10 for n3. The expected return value is 40. But the issue here is we don't know the order in which the argument needs to be passed in the main function. Expecting that it's in the order as n1, n2 and n3, so passing the values accordingly. When executed, it returns the value as 20 instead of 40, which is incorrect. Due to the different ordering of arguments, the wrong values are getting passed. To resolve this issue, we will also pass the key with the value as key equals value. When executed again, we can see that the correct value 40 is getting printed. So, passing key is helpful when we know the number of arguments to be passed but don't know the order in which it's defined in the main function.